Hi, I'm Ray Lundigan.
And I'm Mike Duffy.
We're with the American Process Gas Division of Scales Industrial Technologies. Wanted to just take a few minutes and show you our all-star line of regenerative blowers and the associated maintenance.
What we have here is a regenerative blower from All-Star Blower. This specific unit is powered by a 20 horsepower electric motor that is directly coupled to an impeller and the impeller housings. Now, the clearances on a regenerative blower are much greater than those found on a positive displacement blower, which make a regenerative blower much more forgiving and less susceptible to damage.
On the back end, we have inlet silencers, discharge silencers, which greatly reduce the noise from the blower. And both silencers are fitted with flange connections, which simplify the installation and also allow you to remove the blower without disturbing the system piping. Finally, we have an intake filter. And the inlet filter helps keep the inlet air clean, allows the blower to run cooler with less contamination. Before servicing any piece of equipment, it's always advisable to disconnect the electrical power. Also, make sure the system pressure has been released, and also wear your safety glasses. The most frequently maintained item will be the inlet filter. Remove the wing nut. Remove the cover. Take the element out, and with your compressed air, just blow in the opposite direction from inside to outside, which is the reverse flow of the normal operation. Install the element and put your cover and wing nut back on.
Now, since these units are oil-free units, there's no oil level to check or oil to change. Most of the units are outfitted with grease fittings. If your particular unit is, we suggest that you grease those fittings every few thousand hours, depending upon the conditions it is operating in. The next thing you want to check is your electrical connections. You want to make sure that they're clean and tight.
These blowers go up to about 30 horsepower. They're used in many applications. We see them in food processing, industrial applications, wastewater treatment, aeration, agitation, chip removal, 3D system printers, and also in any application where you need clean, oil-free air. Pressures to about 11 psi and vacuums to 12 inches of mercury.
Thank you for your time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, you can contact Scales Industrial Technologies, American Process Gas Division. Thank you.